Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see how to install Termux and run MySQL in mobile phone. So let's start. Open your Play Store, write Termux in the search bar, and the first one which will appear, install it. Now it has been installed. Let's open it and let's test. Let's write MySQL in it. It is showing that it is you have not installed MariaDB. So let's search. For that, what you have to write, pkg search MariaDB. You have to write this and then enter. So they are showing that it is there. So we will install it. How to install? Pkg, then write install, then write MariaDB and then enter. Asking y or n. Y for yes, so let's write capital Y and enter it. Now it is installing MariaDB. Our 100% is installed. So now what you have to write is mysqld, then press underscore and write save, then give a space and hyphen u, then a space, then root, then enter. So it is showing like this. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl plus Z, then it will show like this. Then only you have to write MySQL and enter. Now it has been done nicely. So now we can see databases. Show databases semicolon. It will show the databases here. So it is showing here. Now we can use any database which we want. So let's use test. So what we have to write is use test semicolon and enter. So now it is saying database changed. So now we can create any table here. So let's give command of creating table. Create table. Let's create a student. Now inside it we can give name, and it will be in varchar, and inside it let's give 20, and now we can give id will be in int, integer, and inside it we can give 10 and then comma, then let's give marks, and inside marks will be also in int, and inside it we can give 10 and a semicolon and enter. Now it has been done. Now we can see the tables what we have created. We have created the student table. We will write show tables semicolon. So it is showing tables here that we have created student. Now we can describe also. We can see what we have created. Describe student, DESC student semicolon, enter. Now it is showing that what we have created. We have created name, id, marks. It is showing, you may see. So these commands we have written. So let's insert the values in it from the insert command. So let's write insert into the table name, that is student, values, and inside it we can give values of name, id, and salary. Now give semicolon and enter it. So Now we can give more values and enter it. And now we can see our table values. So we'll give the command select star from the table name, that is student, semicolon, and enter. So here you can see by mistake in place of salary I have written marks, so please ignore that. For exit we can give command exit semicolon and enter. Now to again come in MySQL, write MySQL and enter. Now you have came again here, and now again if you want to do anything you can do, like show databases, you can see. So it is showing now. Also you can use test and enter. And now inside it which tables you have created, you can see show tables, and you can see the tables here. Student, it is showing what we have made. So that's it. Like this video, subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubt or want video of any topic, comment in the comment box. And also thank you for watching this video.